Hi, my name is Valerie Jeffers. We're going to be using the left, right, and mid functions in Excel 2016. Let's get started. We're in our document now, and we're going to utilize the left function to extract information from cell C2. Let's click on our cell, and we're going to type in equal, left, open parentheses, and we're going to the cell that we like to extract information from our social security number. We want cell C2, and we're going to put a comma, and it's going to tell us how many characters do we like to extract from the left, and we want the first three numbers. So let's type in 3 and close the parenthesis, hit our enter key. All right. The next way we're going to do it, we're going to utilize our insert function. Let's click on insert function, and we're going to type in left, click on our go button, and click our function, click OK. It's going to bring up the function argument, and we want to get information from cell C3. So I'm going to type C3, and how many characters we want, and we want 3 from the left side. So we see in our function argument dialog box, it's saying left here. Is showing us the string of information and also the amount of characters that we would like to extract and the exact numbers that will be extracted. So it tells us our formula results. Go ahead and click OK. All right. Now we're going to drag the information all the way down. We can do the same thing with our mid. We can use the insert function, which would bring up the dialog box, or we can type it in manually. Let's do another manual. So I'm going to type in my equal sign, mid, M-I-D. I want my open parenthesis. I need to tell it what column I'm looking at, what cell. I'm looking at cell C2. Type in C2. I'm going to put a comma, and what is my start position? I want to start extracting from the middle at character number 5. I'm going to type in 5. I'm going to put in a comma, and how many characters do I want to extract? I want 2. Then I'm going to close it, my parentheses, hit my enter key, and it's going to tell me, it's going to put those 2 characters. I can copy this formula down, or I can use my insert function to show you how you would do it from the dialog box. I want the mid function, so I need to type in MID. Click go. It's going to bring up the function. Click OK. Now I've got my function argument. What cell am I looking at? I'm looking at cell C3 that I need to extract the information from. What is my start position? Where do I want to start extracting the information from? My string. So it's going to start at character number 5. How many characters do I want to extract from the middle? I want to extract 2 numbers. And it tells us right here, we're using the mid function. This is the whole string. What is my formula results? It's showing me here. That's exactly what I want. I'm clicking OK. Now we're going to copy this information all the way down. All right, we got one more. We're going to do the equal right. So I'm going to type equal right. Okay, my open parentheses. What cell am I looking to extract information? I want cell C2. So it's highlighting that. I'm going to put a comma. And how many position or characters do I want from the right side? I want 4. I'm going to type in 4 and close my parentheses, hit my enter key. All right, we're going to use the function argument one more time. So I'm going to click insert function. I'm looking for right, and I'm going to click go. Let's type it in. Oops. Click go. Select my function, click OK. I want my text to come from my cell is going to be C3. It brings up my string. How many characters do I want from the right side? I want 4 characters, and it's going to show me what that string is going to look like, or the formula results. I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to drag my formula all the way down. The left or right functions are used to return characters from the start or end of a string. Use the mid function to return a specific amount of characters from the middle of a string of text. You can also manually type in your string in a designated cell, equal left, equal right, equal mid, or utilize the function argument dialog box.